Got a minute? Let's talk about how to lower your home insurance costs. You want to save money but still get the coverage you need. Check out these tips to get started. It's always a good idea to shop around to find a policy that meets your needs and budget. Want to compare home insurance rates and companies? Complete a profile on helpinsure.com to get sample rates and compare policies. Then contact your top choices to get actual quotes. Companies may offer discounts for having a monitored security or smoke alarm system, having other policies with the same company, or for being claim-free for the past few years. Is your home's roof in good shape? How about your credit? Most insurance companies use your credit history to help decide whether to sell your insurance and for how much. Call our helpline if you have other insurance questions or need to check the complaint history of a company.